has been. See, we've been working on stuff. Stop it. Stop it. I've got treats under my blanket. That's why she's doing that. See, we worked on sit, and we worked on down, and the cat's eating her food, and then the other cat doesn't like her at all, and she's still trying to get after these. Sit. Good girl. Down. Down. Good girl. So yeah. And it's only the second day. We're doing pretty good. Huh.